Step out. Oh, magnet. Yeah. Oh! We got a control arm. We got us a ball joint. Look at there. That fits a Ford Stranger Ranger. Got us a rotor and a shock. And a brake hose. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Let's get to work. Let's see this bad boy is. 2, 3. Yes, sirree. Ball joint tool. This is for the red truck. Always needed one of these kits. Every time you gotta borrow one from O'Reilly's, they're like, we'll put the money back in your card. We just gotta charge it though the first time. All right, how much is it? $184. What? Yeah, dude, no, that's ridiculous. Go to Amazon, Amazon.com. $52, and it's yours. Ta-dink. And it's for 4-wheel drive. At least 4-wheel drive capable. Oh yeah. I got one on my own. That is a hefty, hefty kit. We are back at it today. Finally got the parts in. We got a upper control arm we're going to replace. Shock. Oh boy. We even got a new brake caliper bracket, new brake caliper. Got a new, not new, but new to us, brake line from LiQWYD. We're going to replace that. And then this from LiQWYD too, new spindle. Because snappy snap. Brand new, snappy snap. We're gonna replace it and see if we can get this back on all fours. It'd be nice to at least take it off the trailer, not the way it went on. We can try it out, but we're gonna get started and see how far we can get. Coming along here, we've got now fancy new FOMO new brake hose. About to change this guy out. This is the brake line from LiQWYD that's been replaced now. We now have an official LiQWYD radiator, AC condenser. Something else replaced. He had to come to me. It's coming along nicely. Oh yeah. Yeah, coming along now. Got the AC condenser in, got the brake line replaced, several other things. Just coming along nice and smoothly. New stuff look pretty. New lower ball joint. Thanks to the handy dandy press. Got a new shock, new brake hose, LKQ new brake line, LKQ new brake spindle. Oh, we're so close to being on all fours. Coming along. Underneath here, everything looks all hunky-dory. We're all normal until you look right there. That is all the ways from the back to the front to the top. It is broken, severed. I've already ran the thing a couple times, test drives around the yard, and it's not leaking fluid, which is weird. You really would think that would be hemorrhaging, but I guess the shaft that goes between here's probably a hydraulic side. You can see it's fatter right there, and probably same thing for this side, so maybe they just don't have fluid in there. I don't know, it's kind of weird. We're gonna change it out. LKQ, gonna buy all kinds of parts until I start to puke. Hey Simon, I need the flathead. Can you bring it to me?
Jesus Christ, man.
Will you give me the flathead? She is on all fours. She drives under her own power. She is dusty. But guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Also, if you notice, got some t-shirts made to kind of help the channel grow. If you're interested in getting one, just leave a comment down below. Let me know. I appreciate all the love and support. If you guys want to see this thing through fruition, it's almost there. She's driving now. Cold AC. Make sure to subscribe, hit your post notifications so you don't miss out on any new posts that I make. We'll catch you in the next one.